Welcome back to CIPD Expert. Today we're breaking down 7HR02 AC1.1, where you need to analyze external factor and internal factors shaping an organization's resourcing and talent strategy, and then recommend how the strategy can be improved using Qatar Airways as an example. One major external factor affecting Qatar Airways is the global shortage of qualified pilots. Across the aviation industry, retirements, training costs, and post-pandemic growth have reduced the supply of experienced pilots, while demand continues to increase. For Qatar Airways, this creates intense competition with other Gulf carriers for the same limited talent pool. As a result, resourcing becomes more expensive, time-consuming, and heavily dependent on external labor markets. Impact on talent strategy. Greater reliance on international recruitment, increased pressure on pay, benefits, and employer branding, higher risk to future workforce sustainability. To improve its strategy, Qatar Airways should reduce overdependence on the external labor market. This can be achieved by strengthening internal talent pipelines, such as cadet pilot programs, using long-term workforce planning to anticipate future pilot demand, investing in early career development and succession planning. A key internal factor shaping talent strategy at Qatar Airways is high employee turnover, particularly among cabin crew. Contributing factors include demanding schedules, emotional labor, limited flexibility, and restricted career progression. Impact on talent strategy. Constant need for replacement hiring. Reduced return on training investment. Pressure on remaining staff and managers. To address this, Qatar Airways should adopt a more employee-centric talent strategy. Improvements could include clear career pathways beyond cabin crew roles, enhanced well-being and fatigue management support, greater employee voice and engagement initiatives. In summary, Qatar Airways' resourcing strategy is shaped by both external labor market shortages and internal retention challenges. While current approaches focus heavily on recruitment, the strategy would be stronger if it placed greater emphasis on workforce planning, internal development, and employee experience. Tips to structure your answer. Identify one external and one internal factor clearly. Analyze how each factor impacts resourcing and talent decisions. Give practical recommendations, not just descriptions. Link improvements to sustainability and workforce effectiveness. So that's a wrap up for today. Hit like, subscribe, see you in the next video.